All right, class. This is the first video for Chasing the Blues Away. We're going to start with measures 1 through 4 for the right hand. Okay. So here is the position for your right hand. You're going to take your right thumb, and we have middle C here. We're going to take our right thumb, go from middle C to D right here. And we're going to put our right thumb on this E right here, okay? This is where our right thumb is going to start. You're going to go ahead and position your fingers. Your right thumb, finger number 1 will be playing E. Your right finger number 2 will be playing F. Your right middle finger will be playing this black key called F sharp, okay? And we call this key F sharp. A sharp is the key immediately to the right of the key that's to its left. So we have this F right here, the key that's immediately to the right. The very next key, not the next white key, but the very next key is called an F sharp. So go ahead and put your middle finger of your right hand on this F sharp. And then you're going to take your ring finger, which is finger number 4, and that's going to play G, okay? And so we're going to take this note by note, all right? So here's what we have. Looking at my yellow arrow on the screen, always remember this treble clef right here means that for piano players, all the notes up here for this song will be played with the right hand. All right. So our first note we have is an E. That's going to be played with our right thumb, okay, which is here. The next note we have right here, we call this an 8th note, all right? So we got a quarter note here, and then we have an 8th note here. This is an F, and then this little hashtag, what we now know as a hashtag, this is actually in music the sharp symbol. And so we have a regular F, which as you can see, you got this middle C here, and then we have the F highlighted here. That's our index finger. Then when I highlight this F sharp, that's what the middle finger is going to play. And then on this line, this is the G line. That half note is going to be your G. And then we have, again, I'm going to go through these a little quicker. E, E again, F, F sharp, G. Now right here, this symbol that you see is a natural sign. And what this means is that we're going to play the regular F or the F natural, not the F sharp, okay? Now, there's a general rule in music in that when you get a sharp symbol within a measure, then if you get this F sharp, then if this natural sign wasn't here, then you would automatically assume that this would be an F sharp without putting the symbol again. But when we put the natural sign here, that's letting us know that we don't make that assumption. We don't assume that this is an F sharp. However, it's an F natural. So next measure, third measure, we got G, and then we have this high C. That's a new note right here, a high C. This is the C space for this particular C. And then toward the end of the measure, we have 2 8th note Gs, okay? So let's take it and play it in practice mode. We're going to play it slowly, okay? So here we go. You're going to play E with your right thumb. Now play F with your right index finger. Now play F sharp with your right middle finger. Now we're going to play G with our right ring finger. We're going to go back to the E, play 2 E's with the right thumb. Now we're going to play F with the right index finger. F sharp with the right middle finger. G with the right ring finger. We're going to go back to our F with the right index finger. Now we're going back to G. Oh, I'm sorry. I messed up. Now, this F right here, this F natural, we're actually going to play it with our thumb. That little number 1 above this F natural is for the thumb. So we're doing a reposition, okay? So let me start over and correct that. All right? So we got E, F, F sharp, G. Now we're going to do E, E, F, F sharp, G. Now we're at this F natural. We're going to play the F natural with our thumbs. So look at my fingers down here. Look at the keyboard where my fingers are. Now we're going to take our thumb and put it on this F to play F. And now it's going to shift our hand so that we can play G with our finger number 2 or our index finger. And then we're going to play this high C with our right pinky finger, like that. And now, even though we're not playing in time, we're going to shift our fingers back down to play the G with finger number 4 or our right ring finger. Okay? All right, so let's do that one more time before we do it in rhythm. Play E, right thumb. Play F, right index finger. F sharp, right middle finger. G, right ring finger. E, right thumb. E, right thumb again. F, right index finger. F sharp, right middle finger. G, right ring finger. Play now F with our thumb. We're shifting now. So we're going to play F with our thumb. So our thumb plays F right here. G with our index finger. Excuse me, had to yawn. And then high C with our right pinky finger. And now we're going to shift the ring finger in position to play the 2 G's. So G twice with our right ring finger. Okay? All right, let's play this in rhythm. We're going to play it in rhythm 5 times before we move on.
1, 2, set, go.
All right, that's number 1. Let's do it again.
1, 2, set, go.
All right, that was number 2. Now make sure you're doing what my fingers are doing. So watch my fingers, okay? Watch how I reposition to play the F and watch how I reposition to play the G's at the end, okay? Be sure
1,
you're doing exactly what I'm doing.
2, set, go.
All right, here's number 4.
1, 2, set, go.
right, here's the fifth and final time.
1, 2, set, go.
So always remember, if you're on YouTube right now, if the play speed that I'm playing at is a little too fast, you can click on the gear head and bring the play speed down to 0.75 or slower to 0.5. And you can do it slowly and work your way back up to the normal speed, which is 1. Okay? Now, once you're able to play all 5 times with no mistakes at regular normal play speed, once you're able to do that, then and only then are you ready to move to video 2. In video 2, we're going to learn the left hand for measures 1 through 4, but make sure you got this right hand part first. So again, you got the right hand part down when you can play it all 5 times at normal speed with no mistakes. All right, see you in the next video.